Hi guys, in this tutorial we're going to be printing our 2-pass PDF with predefined white spot color using Fiery Command Workstation. In this example we're using a retail sell sheet. We're going to print the white layer first, providing a neutral base layer, then we'll print the CMYK over top. With Fiery Command Workstation open, import your job. Either click File, Import Job, or use the Import Job button on the Job Center tab. To import the file, click on Add. Locate your file and click Open. Then click Hold. This will send it to the Held queue where we can specify our fifth color properties. Now select your file in the Held queue. Right-click and select Properties. You can also click the Properties button on the Job Center tab. Now find the Specialty Color tab. This is where we'll apply our fifth color. Make sure Apply White Toner to Spot Colors is selected. This will apply white toner to anything in the document defined with the white fifth color. Once everything is selected, click OK. Find your file in the Held queue and right-click. Select Process and Hold. This will rip the image and prepare it for printing. Now we're going to double-check and make sure the fifth color is present. We can do that by right-clicking on the file and selecting Fiery Image Viewer. A new window will open up and you'll see the separations on the right panel. Look for the fifth color represented by a light gray. It should be the last color listed in the separations panel. Okay, now once you've confirmed your fifth color is present, select any additional options such as media type, number of copies, finishing options, and you're ready to print. Once you've printed your first pass, take your print out of the exit tray and reload it face up in the appropriate paper tray for the second pass. Repeat these steps for the second pass and you're good to go.